The scientific name for black bear is Ursus americanus. Black bear are the smallest of bear species in North America. Grizzly and polar bears are larger. Black bears stand 2 to 3 feet at shoulders and 4 to 7 feet long from nose to tail. In Montana, black bears weigh between 180 to 400 pounds. The heaviest black bear ever weighed roughly 900 pounds. On average, black bears live 20 years in the wild. Black bears are omnivores that eat grasses, plants, fruits, insects, honey, small mammals, herbs, and fish. Black bears have 5 toes on their front and rear feet. They have long, non-retractable claws that allow them to climb trees. Black bears can run up to 40 to 50 km per hour. Black bears do not have the large hump that grizzly bears have. They hibernate from roughly October through April, but if you disturb a hibernating black bear, it will wake up. Black bears do not eat, drink, urinate, or defecate during hibernation. They breathe once every 45 seconds during hibernation and drop their heart rate to 8 to 21 beats per minute. There are estimated to be 600,000 black bears in North America. A black bear has a home range of 15 to 80 square miles. Females can give birth to up to 6 cubs every other year, 2 cubs in the average. Gestation is 63 to 70 days. Cubs stay with their mom for up to 18 months. Black bears can be hunted in 27 states including Montana during the spring and fall. In the state of California, there are an estimated 25,000 to 35,000 American black bears. If you come across a black bear at close range, the usual advice is to retreat slowly, still facing the bear, do not run. Black bears are also good swimmers and will readily enter water in search of fish. Black bear cubs take to the water easily and quickly. Black bears are excellent climbers. Their claws give them great grip. Cubs can be very adventurous, climbing high into the tree tops. Some bears are active mainly at night to avoid people or other bears. Black bears are considered highly efficient hibernators. They sleep for months without eating, drinking, urinating, or defecating. According to the Born Free USA, black bears can be legally hunted in 27 states in America, and between 40,000 to 50,000 bears are legally hunted there each year. More are illegally poached and many are killed in car accidents as well.